But let's start by telling you that today is a day when the smile is broad, the chest is broader, and you can walk a little bit taller. Because Team India has scripted history on the hockey field. And these are the faces. Remember their names. Manpreet Singh, Shrijesh, Harmanpreet Singh, Rupinder Pal Singh, Surinder Kumar, Amit Rohidas, Birendra Lakra, Hardik Singh, Vivek Sagar Prasad, Neelkant Sharma, Sumit, Shamsher Singh, Dilpreet Singh, Gurjant Singh, Lalit Kumar Upadhyay and Mandeep Singh. These are the men, the boys who have brought glory to the country today by finally giving us redemption after 41 years of hurt and agony. This is a moment to savor for all Indian sports fans, indeed for all Indians, because hockey in a sense is rooted in this national consciousness, the great feats that led us to win 8 Olympic golds stretching back to 1928. Today the men's hockey team finally won their first medal after 1980 Moscow, defeating Germany 5-4. Manpreet Singh's men pulled off one of India's most memorable fightbacks to win the bronze medal match. Before we meet the men who did it, here's a look at how it all happened at 7 a.m. on the 5th of August.
India, the most successful hockey team in Olympics history. Yet, for 41 years, we hadn't won a single medal at the world's biggest stage. But now, the 4-decade-long wait has finally come to an end. The Indian men's hockey team scripted history by beating 2008 and 2012 gold medalist Germany in the bronze medal match. And it was a game for the ages. India edged the Germans by a single goal margin in a thriller that ended 5-4. The men in blue were staring down the barrel when Germany had taken a 3-1 lead in the second quarter. But as Captain Mandeep said, they never thought they were out of the game. They believed they could still win and did not give up.
We were 3-1 down and we didn't give up. And the way we just thought like we have to give up 100% until the last whistle. That's what I think we played. That was the mentality of the boys. And even 3-1 down, we just fight back, and we believe that we will come back and we will score goals.
What followed next was the fight back that will be remembered for ages to come. In 8 minutes spread across the second and third quarter, India pulled off an incredible comeback. They scored 4 goals. Yes, 4 goals in 8 minutes. Germany didn't know what hit them. From 1-3 down, India were now leading 5-3. And the entire nation was ecstatic. The entire country celebrated. While the Germans pulled a goal back in the fourth quarter, Manpreet Singh's side defended like there was no tomorrow and sealed a glorious victory for Team India. And the Indian captain was speechless after his side's fantastic victory.
Right now it's amazing because we've been working this hard from last long time, and finally we got a medal, and we are really proud, and I really don't know what to say about this because I'm speechless right now because I'm having an amazing feeling. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry.
So what if it's not a gold? It is a medal after 41 years. A watershed moment for Indian hockey perhaps. A moment that highlights that Indian hockey is once again in the ascendancy. The world number 3 team will hopefully build from here and get us the golden glory in Paris 2024. Sports Bureau, India Today.
Now it's midnight in Tokyo, but just a little while ago I spoke to some of the heroes of Team India. They're all heroes. 3 of them broke with dinner to speak to us. PR Srijesh, that goalkeeper, the wall of India as he is now called. Birendra Lakra, that defender who's a part of that proud tradition of Odisha when it comes to hockey. And Mandeep Singh, that forward in a forward line where there's only one word, Singh is king. Listen in to them as they celebrate this great day. Today is a day to celebrate our heroes, and they're joining us one by one. I'm just joined by Virendra Lakra. Virendra, congratulations on your remarkable victory. You're joining me from Tokyo, I believe. Okay, Srijesh is also joining us. So we are joined at this particular moment by Virendra Lakra, Srijesh, and Mandeep. There you are all. Congratulations. First of all, I don't know if you can hear my clap.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
आपने तो दिल खुश कर दिया. आपने तो दिल खुश कर दिया. I am in tears just watching you this morning. But can I start with the hero, Srijesh? 6 seconds to go.
Always.
Then I say 5-4, 6 seconds to go. I switched off my TV. I was scared the Germans would score. Please tell me what was going through your mind. 5-4, and the Germans got that penalty corner.
Sir, thank you very much. At least you mentioned this. I used to do this when Sachin Tendulkar used to get out. I used to switch off my TV. So when you said it, that's made my day. And see, when the last situation, 6 seconds, penalty corner, nothing else to think about. Just watch the ball and save it. The only one thing which came into my mind is like, Sri, what kuch bhi ho jaye, just roko yaar, please. And nothing else. And that's what I done.
I must tell you, I've got two goalkeepers on my show, Mir Ranjan Negi, Ashish Balal. You want to say something to Srijesh? Ashish?
Srijesh, you're a fantastic role model. You're a hero. You've done the nation proud. We are all so proud of you. You have had a fantastic Olympics, and you've become a role model for so many youth of our country. You've given us extreme happiness today. We are all so happy today.
This is a fantastic, Srijesh, I must tell you, you are a superstar in Kerala. There is a road named after you now in Kochi, Olympian.
Yeah.
Tell me, for you as a proud Keralite, proud Indian, what does this mean for you? What does this bronze medal, when you had that medal around you, what was it like?
So when I started my career, that's long back in 2000. So I started when I joined the national team. Also, we had that history. People always tell that, okay, we do have a rich history. We won a lot of international medals. We won a lot of Olympics medals, and we are one of the nation who dominated this sports for a long time. And after 80s, we were in a downfall. And so everyone says, when we are going to race again, when you are going to get a medal. And today, when I got that medal, today when we won that bronze medal, I think this is a rebirth for our game. And this is the time what I can tell my youngsters, I can tell to the next generation. This is what this legacy just wanted to pass to them. I just want to pass this legacy to them so that they will capable to dream about winning a silver or gold medal or winning a World Cup in the future. So I believe this is one of the rebirth for the Indian hockey, and definitely for the youngsters who is dreaming a career in hockey. This is going to give them more motivation.
Of course it is. It's going to create an entire generation of Indians who will now remember you, Srijesh. You will never be forgotten. As will Mandeep, Virendra Lakra, all of you. Each and every one of you is a hero. Mandeep, you were fantastic. Every time you were going into the opposition penalty corner, the Germans were worried. The Belgians the other day, you had, put this, what does this mean? ये moment आपके लिए क्या मायने रखता है? जब आपके कंधे पर वो मेडल आया तब.
बिल्कुल सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर. बहुत खुशी की बात है कि इतने टाइम बाद मेडल मिला है हमें, और फीलिंग तो मैं क्या बताऊं, क्योंकि एक सपना होता है कि ओलंपिक खेलना, उसमें मेडल जीतना, और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया इतने टाइम बाद, और बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है. और आपने अगर गेम की बात की है कि मेरा यही काम रहता है कि मैं क्योंकि एक बोलते हैं कि टीम हमारी होती है और टीम में खेलना होता है, तो यही रहता है कि जैसे भी मैं डी में जाता हूँ, मेरा यही रहता है कि मैं शॉट ऑन गोल करूं और पीसी बनाऊं अपने, क्योंकि सभी को पता है कि ऑलमोस्ट वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट ड्राइव फ्लिकर है हमारे पास. तो अगर मिस होते हैं तो वो भी चलो होता है कि चलो पीसी बनाएं, गोल ये करें।
मैं आपको बताऊं, किसी ने एक व्हाट्सएप भेजा कि जर्मनी के अलग अलग सरनेम थे उनके गोल स्कोरर्स के, इंडिया के थे पांचों, सिंह 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 सिंह। ये क्या है? सिंह इज किंग, ये क्या है? ये ग्रेट ट्रेडिशन है पंजाब का।
नहीं सर, ये एज ए टीम मैं बोलूंगा कि गोल भी अगर कोई भी करता है तो एज ए टीम सभी का माना जाता है, क्योंकि पीछे से बॉल आती है तो सभी के ही टच लगते हैं। तो आई थिंक बहुत खुशी की बात है कि अगर गोल हो रहे हैं, कोई सिंह है या कोई भी है, तो एज ए टीम ये हमारा होता है।
बिल्कुल। एंड वीरेंद्र लाकरा, यू कम फ्रॉम ओडिशा, सुंदरगढ़। ये क्या है सुंदरगढ़ का या ओडिशा का मैजिक क्या है? 3 प्लेयर ओडिशा के, यू आर वन ऑफ द 3। मैं दिलीप तिर्की हमारे शो पर है, वो कह रहे हैं ओडिशा का कुछ मैजिक है। क्या है मैजिक वीरेंद्र? यू वर फैंटास्टिक अगेन, यू आर डिफेंडिंग, यू आर रशिंग आउट ऑफ पेनल्टी कॉर्नर्स। क्या है मैजिक? ये टीम में जादू कहां से इतना आ गया?
पहले तो सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा आप लोग को। और ये जो आपने कहा उड़ीसा एक जादू है, तो ये है कि उड़ीसा का जो मिट्टी में ही मतलब हॉकी का वो मतलब बह रहा है। हर एक जगह आप देखो उड़ीसा में जो ट्राइबल एरिया है, हर एक जगह मतलब हॉकी छोड़कर कुछ स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेला जाता है। तो ये एक चीज है कि जो मतलब ट्राइबल एरियास है उड़ीसा में, तो बचपन से ही मतलब वहाँ पे हॉकी के अलावा और दूसरा गेम कोई होता नहीं है। तो यही एक वजह है सर कि हर कोई मतलब हॉकी लेके निकल पड़ता है।
You know, that is true कि ओडिशा एक गढ़ बन गया है। दिलीप तिर्की से वीरेंद्र लाकरा, you know, all of you have been great players for the game. But Shrijesh, on the other hand, Kerala, of course, Shrijesh has no hockey tradition. So in a non-traditional place like Kerala, to, you know, in a way, is this a moment that you think will bring hockey across India, not just to Punjab or to Odisha? It will take hockey everywhere.
Definitely, sir. I do believe that, because this might be, I mean, this can be a starting point. No, when people think about picking up hockey stick, I think this can be a great beginning for them, and they can dream about a future. Because when I started hockey, my parents were much worried about a job or a future in hockey, because nobody was there from, I mean, Kerala who got a job or a better lifestyle through hockey.
Right.
So now when the younger generation, when they look at me, when they wanted to play hockey, they just can look at me and they can feel like, okay, भाई ने तो किया, क्यों हम लोग क्यों नहीं कर सकता है? So I think everyone wanted to be like that, you know. मैं जब, I mean, I know when I started my career as an athlete, मैं कभी सोचा नहीं था कि I will play in the Olympics games. But when I started to play hockey, I never thought I will play for the country in the Olympics games. But today I won a medal. I got a job in my state. So tomorrow when somebody is picking up the hockey stick, they will feel like, okay, I want to become Srijesh, I want to get a job, and I will be happy. And now parents also feel the same way, that even if you play hockey, you can live a better life. So.
And I'm told you haven't seen your family for weeks. Your wife, of course, is a doctor, so she has been she's been looking after the home.
Sir, it's not weeks, it's months. It's months of months. It's like almost 6 months. I mean, like, no, I didn't meet them properly. So that's a great sacrifice. You don't believe that camp started, the training started from last 1.5 years, and in between this 1.5 years, we all hardly got like 4 break, which is like really small break. And but today when I hold this medal,
Oh, lovely! You have the medal.
So proud.
I'm asking
Yes,
my
sir.
producer to put it in big frame. Just show it to us. Lovely. What a lovely sight to see the medal. It has to be gold next time, Shrijesh. Paris mein gold.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. So that 1.5 year sacrifice comes to an end with a smile on. So I really happy with that. And in my family, I mean, I miss my kids' childhood. I mean, they grew up like anything, but still, I feel proud tomorrow when I go home, when my kids says that my dad is an Olympics medalist and he won an Olympics bronze medal. That is one thing which I really give importance to, and that's equal as this all sacrifice.
How are you all going to celebrate? मैं ये सबसे पूछूंगा. All of you, Mandeep joins us back also. what is the celebration plan, Srijesh? I mean, it is what? It is almost midnight, I presume, where you are. Any celebration plan?
not in the
No
national
celebration.
day, sir,
No celebration?
नो सेलिब्रेशन।
क्या मनदीप क्यों नहीं?
अभी सर बेड पे हैं और फीलिंग ले रहे हैं अभी भी।
अच्छा, तो आज रात को मनदीप मेडल के साथ सो जाओगे? मेडल अपने
इसके साथ ही सोएंगे सर।
everyone.
हाँ
ये
श्रीजेश,
क्योंकि इतना बड़ा ड्रीम था हमारा सर,
बिल्कुल।
और आज ये हमारे हाथ में है और इसको हम छोड़ तो सकते नहीं है, तो इसके साथ ही सोएंगे सर।
तो आप इंडिया को भी इसी मेडल के अपने गले में लगाइए, कोई आपसे मेडल नहीं छीनेगा। ये आपकी मेहनत
नहीं,
का मेडल
ये
है
सर ऑलरेडी इंडिया का ही मेडल है सर।
अरे पूरे इंडिया का मेडल है। वेरी गुड श्रीजेश,
इंडिया का है सर।
नो सेलिब्रेशन श्रीजेश?
Sir, actually, it's almost 12 o'clock. 12 a.m. maybe 12:01 a.m. in Tokyo. So I think we will postpone the celebration to tomorrow for tomorrow. And we will do it tomorrow.
वीरेंद्र, नो सेलिब्रेशन क्या है? इतना बड़ा दिन है, नो सेलिब्रेशन?
सर इंडिया में आगे करेंगे सर।
अच्छा, इंडिया लेके आएंगे। अच्छा, ये बताइए, आई थिंक पीपल नीड टू नो दिस।
बंद कर दी।
एक आखिरी मैं आप सबको पूछूंगा क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं कि 12 बज गए, बट श्रीजेश, if there is
Yes, sir.
if there is one thing that you missed all these months that you are now going to do, you said several months away from the family, what is the one thing you want to do? थोड़ा रेस्ट करोगे?
Sir, definitely. We do have a routine. So when you wake up, you need to fill a lot of forms before your wellness, and you need to and you need to think about what is the day. I mean, day looks like. There'll be meetings, there'll be preparation, there'll be stretches, and stretching, and lot of engagements. So the first few days, stay away from hockey, stay away from everything. Just sleep, just eat. That's it.
How is the body, bud? All those shots that you were stopping, all those drag flicks, any blows on the body?
Sir, I'm used to this. Seriously, little this Mandeep, this Viru, and all of they hit like anything. So I'm used to this.
अच्छा, ये मनदीप, ये बताइए, ये हडल जब होता है टीम का, क्या बात करते हैं ये हडल में? मैं 2-3 बार देख रहा था, और खास करके जब जर्मनी 3-1 से जीत रही थी, 3-1।
जी।
कभी होप, डिड यू गिव अप होप? कभी आपको लगा कि ये नहीं जीत पाएंगे आज, या कभी आपने होप नहीं गिव अप किया?
नहीं सर, हमारा यही रहता है कि अगर कोई अच्छा नहीं भी खेल रहा है उसको कॉन्फिडेंस दिलाते हैं जो हमारे सीनियर प्लेयर्स हैं एक दूसरे को। तो हमारा यही रहता है कि जब भी हम ग्रुप में रहते हैं तो एक दूसरे के अंदर जोश भरते हैं कि अगर कोई अच्छा भी नहीं खेल रहा उसको बोलते तो है ही अच्छा, तू करेगा अच्छा अगले स्टेप में। तो यही मेन रहता है हमारा कि एक दूसरे को मोटिवेशन करते हैं, अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंट दिलाते हैं, तू अच्छा कर सकता है आगे जाके।
कोई गाना, कोई टीम का गाना वीरेंद्र, कोई टीम सॉन्ग? आप लोग मैंने सुना है बड़े अच्छे नाचते हैं और गाते हैं। वीरेंद्र, एनी टीम सॉन्ग?
वीरू भाजी तो मास्टर हैं।
Who is the best dancer? Hockey players are good dancers. Virendra, which is the best song? कोई गाना?
मनदीप सर, मनदीप।
अच्छा, मनदीप, कौन सा गाना, फेवरेट गाना बताओ?
सर पंजाबी गाने जो मर्जी।
अरे करने पंजाबी ही है यार।
सर खुशी में तो अब आप कोई भी लगा दो, हम तो नाचेंगे सर।
कोई भी लगा दो,
खुशी इतनी है।
हाँ जी सर।
अच्छा, ये Shrijesh, I saw a photograph of you were on the pole after the match. What was that photograph? What were you doing on that pole? The photograph has gone viral. They're saying you are the Great Wall of India.
So normally what happens, being a goalkeeper, I spent, almost 21 years in front of that goal post. And that's become like a home. And I always talk to my goal post. It's like, during a match, when I consider a goal, I talk to my goal post like, "Arey yaar, kya kiya?" And when the ball hits the goal post, I say, "Thanks, buddy, great save." So we do have a very good relationship. And after the match got over, I just want to celebrate that victory with my favorite place.
Achha, the goal post
I just climbed on that.
So goal post is your favorite place, where you you have a special relationship with the goal post. That's great. Every goalie has it. We have Mir Ranjan Negi also, the great hockey player. Negi Saab, you want to say something to Shrijesh?
I think in the last 2 decades, there has not been a goalkeeper as good as Srijesh.
Are lovely.
He not only plays well,
you, sir.
he also
Thank you very
inspires
much.
the entire team. And I have
you.
never seen any goalkeeper who is so jovial, so charged up in the game, like, and amazing saves.
And
Srijesh, the entire country is proud of you, yeah. Entire country
Thank
is
you.
proud of you.
Thank you very
that's
much,
the
sir.
great thing, to see one generation handing over the baton. We've got 2 great hockey goalkeepers in Negi and Balal who are talking about Srijesh. This is what sport is about. Virender ji, जब आप when you go back to Odisha, क्या करोगे? First thing, किसकी याद सबसे आई कि फेस टाइम किया कि नहीं माता जी या फैमिली के साथ?
हेलो
वीरेंद्र, जब आप वापस जाओगे
सर।
ओडिशा, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग? पहली चीज क्या करोगे?
सर पहले चीज तो घर जाऊंगा सर। 1 साल ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल से सर बेंगलोर में रहे हैं, क्वारंटाइन और सब, मतलब थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए अभी हॉकी से ना। फिर फैमिली से मिलना है। बच्चा अभी पहचान नहीं रहा है सर, जब कॉल करो तो कौन है बोल के वो काट देता है फोन। तो एटलीस्ट फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है थोड़ा, फिर मम्मी से मिलना है गांव जाके। तो अभी सर टाइम है, थोड़ा टाइम है हम लोग के पास, फैमिली टाइम, तो बस उस पे फोकस करेंगे। एटलीस्ट 1 हफ्ता फैमिली के साथ चाहिए टाइम स्पेंड, फिर अपना प्रैक्टिस पे फिर वापस आएंगे।
बट यू आर वन ऑफ द बैचलर्स ना वीरेंद्र, टीम के बैचलर हो आप कि शादी?
नो सर,
He is married and he got a kid.
yes Srijesh, sorry, tell me Srijesh.
He is married.
He is married.
उसका एक बेटा है.
See, I thought you were a bachelor, my fault. मुझे लगा यार आप इतने यंग लगते हो वीरेंद्र, मुझे लगा शादी नहीं हुई अभी तक. There is Srijesh saying.
अरे सर।
मनदीप, what about you? क्या करोगे वापस जाके? What's the first thing on the agenda?
गर्लफ्रेंड्स को मिलेगा मंदिर।
सर सबसे पहले तो मैं फैमिली से मिलूंगा, उसके बाद मैं अपने डॉग से मिलूंगा।
अच्छा नहीं श्रीजेश, आप क्या कह रहे थे? Who is he going to meet? Girlfriend?
नो सर, अभी नहीं सर, गर्लफ्रेंड कहाँ सर।
yes, girlfriend.
मिलना है, अपने डॉगीज से मिलना है और अपनी फैमिली से मिलना है सबसे पहले जाके।
This is wonderful to sort of listen to all of you. I just want to ask you all in conclusion, any message Srijesh you have for the many fans in India today? You are our heroes. I hope that you get the same importance that our cricketers get when they come back after a big victory. It's like it's even bigger for some of us than winning a World Cup, because cricket we are a #1 team. Hockey,
Yes, sir.
41 years of hurt. Any message for all your fans, Srijesh?
We all miss you people on the field. I mean, I know on the stands really. But I always believe that आप लोग सब हम लोग को बहुत प्यार दिया, हमारे लिए प्रेयर किया. Thank you very much. हम लोग ये लेके आप लोगों के लिए, and you deserve it. And thank you very much for all your wishes and your prayers.
अच्छा, ये जो गाना है, ये गाने के बगैर नहीं जा सकते मनदीप. कौन सा फेवरेट पंजाबी गाना है? Which is your favorite गाना? थोड़ा सुना दे.
सिंधु मूसेवाला.
कौन सा?
हमारे सीनियर है ही सही है तो।
अच्छा तू शुरू कर मनदीप, you start, then Srijesh will take over. This is meeting. This is एक दूसरे के लिए. पंजाब meets केरला.
डॉलर वांगू नहीं नाम साडा चलदा।
अच्छा तू गा के तो सुना.
नहीं सर, पूरा नहीं आता, जब से आपको थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा तू पहली लाइन गा ले, then Srijesh will take over.
No. So I'm not a favorite of Punjabi Gana, but these people always play that music. I will enjoy that. That's all.
I must ask you this, Srijesh.
कहाँ मसा रहे हो?
नहीं Srijesh, not.
अबे गाना यार, please.
मुझे नहीं आता, सॉरी।
हरमन को बुला।
हरमन गालेगा।
Acha, it's been wonderful talking to all of you, and I know this is a celebration in a way. Please keep that medal around you, and
Sure,
you have made all of us very proud. Virender, Mandeep, Srijesh, and each and every one of you. You have, today
you.
brought a lot of tears to our tears of joy. In COVID times, you have given us a very happy moment, and please enjoy it. Rest well and enjoy the moment.
you.
ये medal आप ही का है. Enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for joining us. That's wonderful to have the players. They've stayed up till after midnight to come on this show. What a day. What a day for Indian sport. It's a day where we all, in a way, have to feel a little emotional. That's what hockey does to you. There's a sport of the underdog. And it is the spirit, the jasba of India that you saw today.